Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Raphael and I'm with Balloon Finesse. I wanted to show you guys the essentials of how to get started on your balloon projects. First, you gotta figure out what your design is gonna be. Well, this is what I do. I plan out my design. I draw it out on paper first. So you can see this is a balloon wall here, and there are a couple of columns here. You know, you have your spiral columns, you got a zigzag column, a flower column, you know, anything to make your event pop. So you're gonna need a couple of essentials, and I have them here for you. So you're gonna need a ruler, a permanent marker, a knife, black duct tape, some fishing line, of course your balloon buddy that you can purchase at your local Walmart or Target, and you're gonna need a box. Okay, now for our balloon sizer. So you're gonna grab a box, and so on this side I have made a balloon sizer, and it is 9 inches in diameter. Okay, you want to make sure all of your balloons are the same size. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your box and you're gonna grab your ruler and your permanent marker, and you're going to measure out 5 inches. Okay? So on this size, we're gonna do 5 inches. So you're gonna mark here and mark at the end of your ruler. Then you're gonna go 5 inches. We're gonna go here. And then we're gonna go another 5 inches. Here. And then you're essentially gonna just connect it across. So just make sure it's a nice straight line so you have a nice clean cut. Perfect. All right. Now that you have your square, you want to make sure you grab your knife and go ahead and cut. I would suggest using a box cutter, or if you don't have a box cutter, you can use a kitchen knife, and that's perfectly acceptable. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your box cutter or a kitchen knife, and you're going to cut through the box on the line. Try your best to cut on the line. I know sometimes it's difficult depending on the box that you have. If you have a box cutter, it makes it quick and easy. All right, punch through. Bam! You have your 5-inch balloon size. Alright, now that we have finished our balloon sizer with our different sizes, it's time to inflate the balloon. So we're going to go ahead and start by blowing it up. Okay, so I have my balloon. Now, I'm going to go to my 9-inch size. I'm going to stick the balloon in size to make sure that I have the correct size. And I'm going to let some of the air go out until it goes all the way through and comes all the way back. And bam, there's your 9-inch diameter. And this is 12-inch balloon. We're gonna go ahead and size it, making sure it's the same size. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and tie it. Now, we're gonna grab both balloons. What I like to do is I like to go around once, cross the rubber, go around once, go around twice, and then do my balloon knot. Boom. There's your duplet. Now, to make a quad, you're going to take another balloon, stick it inside your balloon sizer, let some of the air out to get the correct size. Tie it like so. Perfect. And tie that one. And you're going to make another duplet in order to make a quad. So you're gonna wrap around once, wrap it around twice, and tie. Just so your balloons are secure. Now, you're gonna take both of your duplets and you're gonna put them together. You're going to just spin them around a couple times and bam, you have your quad. So quads are usually made for columns, like the spiral columns, the zigzag columns, the columns that I introduced in the beginning. So now we're ready to start building your creation. Now that you have all the tools to make your balloon project successful, please like and subscribe to my channel, Balloon Finesse, and there will be more videos for you to create more projects.